I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this great and fast-growing institution. To begin is to thank the management of the school for having good and proper laid-down strategies focused on developing all round of pupils who are fully backed to change the society to a better one. The second thing is to give an applause to the hardworking Al-Adala teaching and non-teaching staff who work tirelessly and wholeheartedly to ensure that we are all fine and we get the best quality offered by well-experienced and undisputed teaching staff. More so can't afford to forget our dear parents who always ensures that our school fees are paid in time and provide us with basic necessity to support our learning here in school. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.